Hey, howdy, hey y'all. Welcome to March's Beauty and the Soul Challenge. This is a monthly challenge that I am holding on Instagram, and I invite all of you to participate. And this month we are talking about karma. I will be using the Sorceress Palette to create this look for my challenge for the month of March. This is a beautiful palette. Let's get right into how I created this look. I started doing these challenges in January, and every month I will be posting a new challenge. This is open to everyone. I would love for all of my subscribers here on YouTube and on Instagram and any other platform that I'm on to participate in these challenges. You do not have to be a creator to do so. You can use any form of creativity, be it makeup, art, journaling, an outfit, a tablescape, a picture. Any form of creativity is welcome, and everybody is welcome to participate. Each month there is a theme, and this month's theme is karma. Karma is the sum of a person's actions in this and previous states of existence, viewed as deciding their fate in future existences. A Buddha is believed to have completely purified his karma. The informal definition is destiny or fate, following as effect from cause. So tell me, do you believe in karma? Go down in the comments and let me know whether or not you believe in karma and what your belief about karma is. I know that karma is probably a touchy subject for a lot of people. I am creating my look for this challenge using the colors of black and somewhat of a white. It's kind of a mixture of silver and white to show the two different sides of karma in how I believe. So karma is kind of the idea that what you do comes back to you. So the energy that you put out is the energy that you receive back. So if you do something good, you get good karma. And if you do something bad, you get bad karma. Those cultures that believe in reincarnation believe that you carry your karma from one lifetime to the next. Which kind of sucks, because if you screwed up in a past life, you're going to pay for that in your next one. Sometimes people think that they're getting a lot of bad karma or bad luck when different things happen to them, but sometimes things happen that aren't necessarily because you're getting bad karma or bad luck. Sometimes things just happen. And people always talk about that karma is a bitch. And I don't believe that. I try really hard not to look at karma in a negative way. I do believe that karma is cause and effect. So if you don't want bad karma, then don't do bad things. And a lot of people will also hope that bad karma falls on someone who has done something wrong, which to me is you or that person putting out bad karma, because I believe, this is the things that I'm saying are solely my beliefs. I believe that if somebody has done something wrong, whatever karma is going to come to them is going to come to them. But I'm not going to wish bad things on people, because that's my karma. That's my integrity. And I do not wish bad things on people. I have had people in my life do absolutely horrible things to me, and I do not wish them bad karma, because cause and effect. So whatever action you put out there, whatever energy you put out there, that energy is going to come back to you. It has a boomerang effect. So I don't have to sit around and wish bad things on people. People will draw those bad things to them based on their actions. And truly, I don't even like to see those bad things happen, because I just don't. It's painful to watch other people suffer. I don't like to see any suffering in the world whatsoever. There are very, very rare instances where I would want to see anyone suffer, and then I wouldn't want to see it. I have a very hard time dealing with those types of situations as far as seeing them or being involved in them. I cannot even handle, well, I can handle it. I don't like to be around any energy that is angry. Like if somebody is very tense or yelling or being hateful, I do not like to be around that at all. I have a sign hanging up in the building that I work in that says, "Be responsible for the energy that you bring into this space," because I don't like to be around those types of things. Sometimes, though, we hurt people, not necessarily because we went out of our way to harm them, but their reaction to something that we did or something that we said, even though it was not done or said in malice, they will react in a hurtful way, which is not always our fault. And I don't believe that karma comes back on things like that. I also don't believe that you doing something wrong causes bad karma to come back on somebody else. I have heard several people say that someone in their family was harmed because they themselves did something wrong, and I don't believe that that's how that works. I hope that all of you will practice switching up your energy to be positive so that you are drawing positive karma to yourself. I went through a period of my life where I put out a lot of negative energy. And karma came back and said, "Okay, Leanna, we're going to teach you some lessons. We hope that you're ready for them." And I was. Some of those lessons were very hard. Karma has come back very hard on me quite a few times. But I always learn from it. Always. And I'm always very grateful for all the lessons that I learn in this lifetime. I truly do try to take time out every single day for my own personal growth. I do believe for me that I will grow daily until I take my very last breath. I hope that you enjoyed watching me create this look. The reason why I chose black and white is to signify that there is bad karma, which is the black, and there is also good karma, which is the white. And we can choose which one of those we want to focus our attention on, just like I chose the colors and the placement of those colors on my eyes. Also, sometimes bad karma is necessary for our growth so that we can learn the life lessons that we need to learn. Remember that you cannot see the light without the darkness. I really love how my look turned out. It was very fun creating it. A little bit outside of my normal box. Sometimes I like to get out of my comfort zone. I hope that you will join me in this challenge. If you do decide to do this challenge, you can post pictures on Instagram. If you are not on Instagram, you can email them to me if you would like to share them with me. My email address is down in the description box, as is the link to my Instagram account. If you do post a picture on Instagram, use the hashtag #BeautyAndTheSoul so that we can all find your photo and be inspired by it and support you. Before you go, make sure that you show that like button some love, and as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.